Solving equation of second degree. Find the solution set by using a general formula. We can use the general formula to solve the equation of second degree in the form ax power 2 plus 7x plus 2 equals 0. Here a equals 1 and b equals 7, c equals 2. By using the general formula to find the solution set, the general formula is x equals negative b, positive or negative, square root b power 2 minus 4ac over 2a. By substituting this equation, then b, which is 7, then negative 7, positive or negative, square root 7 power 2 minus 4 times 1 times 2 over 2 times 1. Then the first time is positive and the second is negative, then negative 7 plus square root 41 over 2, and the second negative 7 minus root 41 over 2 by approximately to the nearest tenth. Then the solution set equals negative 0.3 and negative 6.7. Number 2. Find the solution set by using general formula for 2x power 2 equals 10x plus 1 to the nearest 3 decimal digits. The first step, we must arrange this equation in the form ax power 2 plus bx plus c equals 0. By moving 10x by negative and positive 1 by negative in the left hand side, then 2x power 2 minus 10x minus 1 equals 0, then a equals 2, b equals negative 10, c equals negative 1. By using the general formula, negative b positive or negative square root b power 2 minus 4ac over 2a. By substituting, it will be negative 10, it will be positive 10, positive or negative square root negative 10 all to the power 2. Don't forget the brackets, minus 4 times 2 times negative 1 over 2 times 2. Then we have two solutions. The first one is positive and the second is negative. And by approximation, the result to the nearest 3 decimal places, then the solution set equals 5.098 and negative 0.098. Third one, x minus 3 all to the power 2 minus 5x equals 0. The first step, we must expand this bracket. The first power 2, second power 2, first times second times 2, it will be x power 2 and negative 6x plus 9. And we can put minus 5x as it equals 0. By collecting the like terms, negative 6x and negative 5x, it will be negative 11x. Then x power 2 minus 11x plus 9 equals 0. Then a equals 1, b equals negative 11, c equals 9. By using the general formula, we can find the solution set. It will be 11 positive or negative square root negative 11 power 2 minus 4 times 1 times 9 over 2 times 1. The first one is positive and the second is negative. By approximating to the nearest 3 decimal places, then the solution set will be 10.109 and negative 0.890. Find the solution set of this equation in R. Graphically on the interval negative 4 and 2, using factorization, using general formula, using calculator. How can I solve this equation graphically? Firstly, we can make a table from negative 4 to 2. And by using your calculator, we can determine the value of f of x. It will be 5, 0, negative 3, negative 4, negative 3, 0, 5. And by representing on the graph copybook, then the vertex here is negative 1 and negative 4, and which have a minimum value equals negative 4, and the equation of axis of symmetry x equals negative 1. This part from the first term. And to determine the solution set here in the intersection points with x-axis, which is negative 3 and 1. This is how can I find the solution set graphically. The solution set graphically is the intersection with the x-axis. We have 2 points, negative 3 and 1. Question number 2, by using factorization, we can use the factorize x plus 3, x minus 1, then x plus 3 equals 0 and x minus 1 equals 0, then x equals negative 3, x equals 1. And the solution set is negative 3 and 1. Number 3, by using general formula a equals 1 and b equals 2, c equals negative 3, x equals negative 2 positive or negative negative 2 all to the power 2 minus 4 times 1 times negative 3 under the square root over 2 times 1. We have two solutions, x equals 1 and x equals negative 3. Then the solution set is negative 3 and 1. And by using calculator, we can use the method for the calculators, which is mod 53. Mod 53 in the type 570 ES and 991 ES again. We can use the calculator which is mod 53. But in the version 95S or 95ES, we can use mod 33. We can get the final result, which will be x equals 1 and x equals negative 3. It will be the solution set is negative 3 also and 1.